What if a single reflection could reveal the roots of consciousness? Imagine gazing into a mirror and realizing, for the very first time, that the face staring back isn't just an image, it's you. This moment, subtle yet profound, lies at the center of the mirror test, a seemingly simple experiment that has reshaped how we understand minds, both human and animal. The story begins in the 1970s, with psychologist Gordon Gallup. He wondered, how do you prove an animal is aware of itself? In his book Self-Awareness and the Animal Mind, Gallup describes marking chimpanzees with a harmless dye, then placing them in front of a mirror. When the chimps touched the mark on their own faces, it wasn't just a gesture, it was evidence that they recognized themselves. This experiment, inspired by earlier works like Julian Jaynes' The Origin of Consciousness in the Breakdown of the Bicameral Mind, sparked a wave of curiosity about self-recognition across species. Books like Frans de Waal's Are We Smart Enough to Know How Smart Animals Are? Reveal how the mirror test became a gateway to exploring animal intelligence. Elephants, dolphins, and magpies have all passed it, suggesting that self-awareness isn't exclusive to humans. Yet, some creatures fail, raising questions. Is self-awareness more than a mirror's reflection? Does culture, upbringing, or even individual personalities shape how a mind perceives itself? In recent years, writers have expanded the mirror's meaning. Carl Safina's Beyond Words explores not only animal minds, but the philosophical implications behind self-awareness. Are we alone in our consciousness? Or is the universe filled with hidden sparks of identity? The test itself has its critics. Some argue that mirrors are a human concept, an artificial way to measure something far deeper. Books like Thomas Metzinger's The Ego Tunnel and Antonio Damasio's The Feeling of What Happens dig into how consciousness emerges, suggesting that self-recognition is just one step on a winding path to identity. But the mirror remains a powerful symbol. At its heart, it asks us to question, who are we, really? The experiment invites us to look beyond the surface, to consider how stories, science, and imagination come together to shape our sense of self. It's a tale that weaves together psychology, biology, and philosophy, a story worth knowing. So next time you glance at your own reflection, remember, the journey to self-awareness began with a single mirror and a simple question. Who is staring back at you? Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.